Hi. First of all, happy birthday to everybody celebrating their birthday on the 29th of February. As we know, this day occurs only once every 4 years, known as a leap day. This means that people born on this day have fewer opportunities to celebrate. Or do they? Today, we want to show you how to calculate a leap year. So when exactly is a leap year? We're focusing on the Gregorian calendar, as it's the most popular calendar worldwide. In the Gregorian calendar, each leap year has 366 days instead of 365. This extra leap day occurs in every year that is a multiple of 4, except for years evenly divisible by 100 but not by 400. As we enjoy coding, let's make it more interesting and write some Python code to determine whether a given year is a leap year or not. We are creating a function called is_leap_year that takes the year as a parameter. We are using nested if-else statements to check if the given year is a leap year or not, based on the conditions of divisibility by 4, 100, and 400. Let's check if the given year is divisible by 4 first. If the given year is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. This is our first exception. Next exception is that within all those years divisible by 100, we do not include those divisible by 400. If given year is not divisible by 4, we just return false. Let's define a new function named check_leap_year that takes the year as a parameter. Inside the check_leap_year function, call the is_leap_year function with the year as an argument. If is_leap_year returns true, we print that the year is a leap year. Otherwise, we print that the year is not a leap year. We need to add a line of code to ask the user to input a year. Final step is that we call the function check_leap_year with the value of the year, that is stored in the year variable. Now you have a Python code that can help you check any year you want. So will the year 2100 be a leap year? What about 2108? Have a fantastic leap day.